Patuloy po ang ating mainit na action dito at mainit din ang panahon sa loob ng ating arena. As we take a look at our face of the day, ito pong si Camille Serrano, our Shakey's face of the day, 16 years old from Tondo, Manila. Malamang isa sa mga high school players din niya kasi medyo matangkad eh. One of the future players here of the Shakey's V-League, Shaira Gonzalez, was once upon a time a fan and now she is a star. 8-all po tayo ngayon. Shaira Gonzalez, hindi na namang umingiti. Ito ngayon si Charmaine Season. She will be serving ngayon para sa kumpura ng FEU. Tabla po tayo. 8-8. Ayun, 9-8. Service error there by Season. Ateneo taking a 1-point lead. And now, Patty Taganas will be serving as we turn it over now to Noringo.
It's just interesting to note, guys, that the way Coach Mick Laborte talks to her players, parang barkada. So, parang magandang atmosphere during huddles. And during a rally, she talks them through it, you know, parang kino-commentate yung ano gagawin ng players. And obviously, it's working for them. And we'll see how it goes here in the fourth set, guys.
Baka pwede mag-apply yan dito as one of the panelists ng Shakey's V-League. Oh, it's Shaira Gonzalez at the wrong place at the wrong time. Ateneo now with a luxury of a 2-point lead dito sa set number 4, Topex.
Yeah, I guess that's a luxury of a lead, just like the way you put it away. Because alam naman natin, malaki yung kalamangan kanina nitong Ateneo, but just one look back, humabol ka agad ng FEU. So it's a luxury having that actually now it's a 3-point lead for Ateneo.
At itong tira ni Shaira Gonzalez hits the antenna. Coach Nes Pamillar will call another timeout dito. So we thank our friends from Shakey's. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Future team, no superstars sa kanilang lineup, and they have to contend with Ateneo, one of the strongest teams in the Shakey's V-League.
Yeah, but those things would make you a better team if you're FEU in the young age. Makikita natin coming through all those kind of battles. Natututo rin at nadadagdagan yung kanilang arsenal.
Ito yung mga pag-graduate nitong grupong to, sila yung iiyak kasi mamimiss nila si Coach Nes Pamillar.
Yeah, I guess those are the words coming from Coach Nes Pamillar.
Yes.
Being a veteran coach na rin, Noel, hindi na rin matatawaran yung accomplishments ni Coach Nes. So, alam natin kung ano talagang gusto niya. I guess gusto na talaga sundin ng mga players niya yung kanyang tinuturo. Kasi nga naman, paano mo siya mabibigyan ng pagkakataon mag-coach kung hindi mo naman susundin yung pinapagawa niya.
That's right. And now our first look at Dayan Torres. And I was looking at the history books dito, Topex. Dayan Torres was a member of the original FEU squad that saw action in the very first Shakey's V-League in 2004. Dayan Torres po, actually she was also on the starting 6 in 2006 if I'm not mistaken. Here's Shaira Gonzalez attacking Gabriel and Taganas get entangled. Here's Pahe on the attack. Oh, and Porada, Taganas! What an effort that time by Rosan Taganas. Pero yun na nga, Ateneo got away with one right there.
That was a really good getaway move coming from the ladies of Ateneo because sila yung medyo in disarray dun sa play na yun. But itong FEU, medyo na nagkaroon ng konting miscommunication doon.
Alam kasi ni Morada, wala nang tao sa likuran niya. So she had to play that one, hoping that it would buy time for Taganas. Hindi po nangyari yun. 13-8. Oh, nice serve that time by Patty Taganas. It wasn't even on the line. Pasok na pasok talaga yun. 14-8. Ateneo now up by 6. Kanina, dikit ng dikit ang FEU. In fact, it was tied at 8-all at one point. So Ateneo has now scored a total of 6 straight points. Ended there by April Jose on the Serafica move.
That was a good move coming from April Jose because she faked. Everybody thought she's going to set that play. But then again, she has other things in mind.
Well, Serafica move as we call it dito. Yung on the second touch, akala mo magse-set up, biglang itatapon pala sa kabila. So 14-9, Cabanag, Kimpo, Bello, setting up Kimpo, and Kimpo lost her hang time.
Actually, makapasin natin itong si Bello, medyo kanina pa siya medyo out of tune sa kanyang mga setups. But then again, alam naman natin, veterano na rin itong malalaro. So, he has to give her the benefit of the doubt sa ganung klase mga plays.
And Carla Bello, you can see it in her face that she's not happy about something pagdating sa positioning talaga ng mga players. And Ateneo scores again on Averil Pahe. Si Carla Bello usually nakangiti yan. Tingnan mo, I've not seen her smile in this game.
Medyo ibang game face ang pinapakita dito ni Carla Bello, but alam naman natin kung gaano magbigay ng damage for the opposing team itong si Bello. So let's see kung ano pang mga bag of tricks that she still have.
And a service error there coming from Misha Kimpo. And she will sit down. And Stephanie Gabriel comes back in. 4 na lang po ang abante rito ng Ateneo. And the always dangerous Shaira Gonzalez now serving. Gabriel. Bello. Quick set. Soriano. Nothing FEU would do to stop that. And Ateneo is now up by 5 points at the second technical timeout. 16-11 against FEU. Diyan lang po kayo. Ito po ang Shakey's V-League right here on NBN. And we will be right back.